Have you ever felt like a stranger in your own body? You're doing everything right, the clean eating, the gym, the caffeine, but you're still waking up at 3 a.m. with a racing mind and a body that feels like lead. Your skin is breaking out along your jawline like you're a teenager again, and your mood swings. They feel like a roller coaster you never signed up for. Most women are told, it's just stress, or that's just part of life. But I'm here to tell you, that is a lie. Your body is not broken. It's just talking to you in a language you haven't learned yet. Those symptoms, the fatigue, the bloating, the hair loss, are SOS signals from your endocrine system. Today, we are deep diving into the 5 silent signals that your hormones are screaming for help, and exactly how you can start your healing journey from home. This is the science of the hormone glow. Sign 1. The cortisol crash, wired but tired. Imagine feeling like a zombie all day, but the moment your head hits the pillow, your brain turns on. This is the wired but tired cycle. When your stress hormone, cortisol, stays high for too long, it disrupts your entire system. This leads to that wired feeling at night and total exhaustion in the morning. The fix. You must reset your internal clock. Try to get 10 minutes of direct morning sunlight before looking at your phone. It's a free, powerful hack to tell your brain when to be alert and when to rest. Sign 2. Insulin and skin health hormonal acne. Stubborn acne around the chin or thinning hair often points to insulin resistance. When we eat refined sugars or skip meals, our insulin spikes, triggering the body to produce excess androgens. This is why your skin stays oily even with a perfect skincare routine. The fix. Stop eating naked carbs. Never have bread or fruit alone. Always pair them with healthy fats or protein, like an egg or some nuts. This flattens the glucose curve and clears your skin from the inside out. Sign 3. Estrogen dominance liver detox. Heavy periods, intense bloating, and breast tenderness usually mean your body is struggling to clear out old estrogen. Your liver is responsible for flushing these hormones out, but if it's overwhelmed, those hormones get reabsorbed into your bloodstream. The fix. Support your liver with cruciferous vegetables. Broccoli and kale contain a compound called DIM. It helps your liver package and flush out excess estrogen, leading to a much smoother and pain-free cycle. Sign 4. The mental cloud, brain fog, and focus. If you feel like you're walking through a fog or forgetting simple words, your progesterone or thyroid levels might be dipping. Your brain has hormone receptors everywhere, and when they aren't fueled, your focus vanishes. The fix. Prioritize magnesium. It's the master mineral for women. It calms the nervous system and supports over 300 reactions that keep your brain sharp and your mood stable. Sign 5. Low libido and mood emotional balance. If you've lost your spark or feel constantly flat emotionally, your sex hormones are likely out of sync. Hormones don't just affect periods, they control your joy and your drive. The fix. Focus on healthy fats. Your hormones are literally made from cholesterol. Adding avocado, olive oil, and wild-caught fish to your diet provides the raw materials your body needs to rebuild. The hormone glow. Healing isn't about miracles, it's about small, daily choices. Choose one thing from this video today and stick to it for a week. Your body will thank you. If you're ready to stop guessing and start glowing, join our community. Hit that subscribe button and comment the word GLOW below. I'll see you in the next video.